Lila.
And welcome back to the
Cardello Sisters!
Today we're going to be making mug cakes. We're going to be making the rainbow chip one by Betty Crocker.
They make them, they come with 2 packets. They have the frosting packet, which is this packet, and then the cake mix packet right here.
And the directions are on the back.
But there's not one more. We have like a brownie one and a cookie one.
Yes.
So we're just using this one today.
And
there's 2 packets in each pack, right?
Yes.
So Abrina has the same thing as me.
Actually, there's 4 in each one of these boxes. You can find the directions on the back and
so there's more of these
the back of these.
So we can make these tomorrow. Like I could have one and she could have one today. And
it's
then
empty. Because we had 2 the other time.
Oh,
so
yeah, we did.
Let's get started making these. So the directions say to empty the cake mix into a microwave safe 9 to 12 ounce cup. So
that's this. So now we're gonna. So there's a little slit right here already
that you can pull it.
That you can pull.
Wow. Right.
Okay.
Ooh. And the rainbow chips are in here.
Can you help me, Mom?
Yeah.
Cake mix on me here.
Make sure that all of the cake mix is in here. Or is it? Okay.
Oh, look at that!
Pour it into. I already finished mine. Well, I haven't finished it. I poured it in.
Come on in. You're all in. Let's look in the bag.
So this is what it looks like. It's like a powder. It more looks like powdered sugar than it does a cake mix.
Yeah.
So then it says to add 3 tablespoons of milk or water. In this case, we're using milk.
See, we usually actually use milk with every recipe we have. Yeah. So we're using milk right now.
And
for this cake recipe.
I'm going to do
1, 2, and 3.
1 tablespoon of milk.
And then
Kyla can do another tablespoon, and then I can do another tablespoon, and then Kyla can do another tablespoon, and then I can do another tablespoon.
Until there's 3.
Make sure it's level also. If it's not level, then your kids need help. Yeah.
But I want to.
Okay, there you go. Ooh. Some spill. Oh. Okay. Just empty it. Yeah. I'm so happy. Right.
Now, Abrina is going to do hers. This might take a long time because we are not doing fast mode on the camera.
Slow down. Ooh, it's so like, it looks, now it's kind of looking like when you have like the cake mix and then the milk in the water. When you're baking. Do you want me to help you get it level again?
Yes, please. I don't know how to do.
So we have our 3 tablespoons in, and now we're going to stir well for 30 seconds. So let's do that. So we did it for 30 seconds, and mine doesn't look as smooth. It still has like some grainy parts in it, like this. And so it should look smooth, but mine still looks grainy. You guys can see.
Same as mine.
Pick up a camera. So we're gonna stir for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna head over to the microwave, and we're going to put the we're gonna set it for 1 minute and 5 seconds, and then we're gonna put our mug cakes in, and then hopefully they should be done. Well, the cake, not the frosting. So let's go do that.
So
we have our mugs. They're good stirred.
Yeah, we're going to put them in the microwave
For a minute
and
5 to 1:15 seconds.
Yep. So let's start that microwave up.
And then when they're done in the microwave, you're gonna want to let them cool for 2 minutes, and then you can frost them. So let's do that.
I remember last time. Mine's done in the microwave. So I'll take it out. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's hot. And I will not take it out.
See what it is? Ooh, that looks good, right? So we're gonna let this cool for how long is it? 2 minutes. And then I'll let my sister, and I'll call her over, Abrina! Or she's gonna come right now, and she's gonna do hers. So see you later.
So our mug cakes are cooled and they look nice and fluffy.
So we're gonna be frosting them with the frosting today, or right now.
So let's cut it. I'm gonna cut open my frosting bag and then frosting milk.
I'm just eating the cake on the sides because it tastes so good.
Alright, here, cut.
But Mom, do we open it to the side like this? That's empty.
I just opened mine. The frosting also has rainbow sprinkles, if you were wondering. Now I'm going to wait for Kyla. Are you going to add the frosting?
Now.
Are you guys seeing this?
I'm just like scribbling it on.
Oh, I just dumped it on.
Oh yeah, scribble, scrabble. Scribble it
Use my
on.
fork.
Scribble it on.
If you need to get more, you can use your fork. There's always more.
I'm just dumping.
So I finished dumping my frosting in, and now I'm just smoothing it out so that it's evenly distributed. And then maybe with my fork. So this is what it looks like. Be careful not to burn yourself. This is what it looks like in the inside. So I'm so excited to eat this yummy, yummy treat.
Let's try it. Let's taste test.
Oh, that's like new cake.
We're giving this cake a big thumbs up because we haven't had this in a long time and we forget what it tastes like.
Like Rosina Pansino says, 2 thumbs up on a foot.
Good. 2 thumbs up and a foot. That's what she says. Now,
Thank you guys for watching.
we hope you have a great night or a day because it's nighttime right now. We're just having our treat after dinner.
Don't forget to hit the likes and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified when a new video comes out. Thank you guys for watching. And